Today I'm going to show you how you can take a bullshot photo in OnePlus 12. So now first open the camera up, open the photo mode, and now just tap on the share button and hold it for a while. If you cannot do it, open the 3-line button and choose settings. Now just look for the touch and hold shutter button and select the take burst shot. Now just tap on the share button and hold it. We took 14 photos. To pick the best one, open the gallery, click on this little icon and choose your best shot. After that, click on the accept icon and decide that you want to keep only selected photos or all of them. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.